Let's practice number counting from 1 through 10. I have learned those quite a while ago. Let me see if I can pull this off. It's 1. Wahidun. Yep. It's 7. Sab'atun. Yeah, it looks like 10 in English. So, asharatun. Yep. It's 9. So, 9 is tis'atun, I believe. Yep, tis'atun. And this one is actually 6. If you see the handle, the top handles begin at the left side, it's 6. If it is on the right side, it's 2. So this one's 6. 6 is sittatun. Sounds like 6, yeah. Sittatun. Yeah, this one is 2. So 2 is wahidun and samaniyatun. Oh, sorry, no, samaniyatun, not isnani, 2, isnani. So yeah, this one I got wrong. 8 or 7, I get confused. It's 7, sab'atun, yeah. It's 6, sittatun. It's 10, asharatun. Sab'atun. Samaniyatun, yeah. 8. It's 6, sittatun. Asharatun. This is 8. Samaniyatun. It's 4. 4 is arba'atun. Yep. It's 5. Khamsatun. It's 10. Asharatun. It's 4. 4 is... I can't remember. 4 is arba'atun. Yep. Wahidun. 1. It's 2. Isnani. Yep, this time I got it right. It's 9. So tis'atun. Arba'atun. 4. Isnani. 2. Sab'atun. 7. Tis'atun. 9. Khamsatun. 5. Sab'atun. Sorry, no, it's not sab'atun, it's 8. So it's samaniyatun. Yeah, I think I have to review it more. Thanks for watching.